Hey everyone! It's another fieldwork day and today is extra special because we're covering not just one but two municipalities in a single day. We're heading to Sugbong-Kogon and Magsaysay, Misamis Oriental. These places are quite far from Cagayan de Oro, and so it's going to be a long journey but definitely a productive one. Come along. As you can see, going na tayo guys sa Sugbong-Kogon, Misamis Oriental. And kapag bus yung sinakyan mo guys, it will take you 2 to 3 hours bago ka makarating doon. And for Magsaysay guys, it will take you 5 to 6 hours bago ka makarating doon. So ganun kalayo ang pupuntahan natin today. And let's see if uuwi ba kami or mag-sleep over kami sa Magsaysay, Misamis Oriental. First stop is Sugbong-Kogon. We're here to check on the construction of the poultry house, which is malayo din siya from the municipality proper. Parang almost 1 hour din yung biyahe papasok mismo sa site. So let's see how things are going and make sure everything is on track. So ayan guys, as you can see, nandito na tayo sa site. Meron ditong para siyang greenhouse, and yung commodity na present dito guys ay mga strawberries.
Ito, 2020 pa. 2020, 2022. Yeah, 2025.
Ngayon nga guys, pupunta na tayo ng Magsaysay, Misamis Oriental, and it's gonna be a long ride talaga kasi malayo-layo pa yun guys. So, see you later! Guys, we're here na nga and papunta na tayo sa site guys. From LGU Magsaysay, nandito na tayo sa site.
Kanilang isa picture wala pa na connecting yan sa kanta. Wala pa extension. Wala mo pag-ginoy ko butterfly. Apil lang sa pagpalit.
So guys, ito yung tinatawag na cooling pad in a biosecure swine facility guys. So ayan guys, it is fully wet na talaga. As you can see. Ganito naman ang itsura niya guys sa labas.
Wala man may kulot lang gamay. Tura. Try da, try. Anak ka nang dili daw mo. Mura dilak sa crank. Say gamit ninyo.
Crank ka na ma'am.
Itong gitoyok niyo sa tumoy. Dala to.
And after that guys, dinala kami dito sa paniderya guys para makasnack at ang sarap ng mga pagkain nila dito. So yung in-order ko nga pala isang fries at isang mango na shake. And finally guys, we're going back to Cagayan de Oro and hindi na kami nag-sleep over dito guys kasi kaya pa naman kahit gagabihin na kami pauwi. And ito nga pala yung daan palabas ng LGU Magsaysay guys. And just like that, we're here na sa Hingoog at mag-stop muna kami dyan sa may gasoline station kasi makikigamit muna kami ng comfort room nila. Iihi lang naman kami guys kasi malayo-layo pa yung biyahe talaga. And medyo madilim na nga guys. Gagabihin talaga kami nito at ito na nga madilim na talaga pero malapit naman na kami sa Cagayan de Oro City. And we're here na guys. Thanks God for the safe travel and thank you also guys for being with me in this video. That's all for today's video guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!